tried to roller set my hair by myself. I failed miserably. The top of my hair is just too long and I cannot reach. I did book briefly on a salon just in case. If I kind of knew I'm gonna have this struggle. I booked in a salon not far away from where I live to help me roller set it. And guess what? The salon do not have a hoodie dryer. Like, really? So I'm gonna go in there, roller set my hair. They're gonna help me roll it. I have everything packed, all my rollers and everything that I need. I'm actually running behind. Still have 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna come home and they go under my hoodie dryer. I mean, which salon does it have a hoodie dryer? I feel like I just don't get it. A salon. Yes, I know it's not an ethnic hair salon, but still, a salon that doesn't have a hoodie dryer. I just cannot, I can't understand that. So I'm already full of cold. So walking around with damp hair, my hair, I have got clean film under there to keep it moist. So I just have to keep you guys posted and see how it goes. This madness of whatever it is I have taken on. Have I passed the place? No, I think it's this turn. So yeah, I don't know. I will keep you guys posted. I think I'm here now. Just need to find a place to park. How this madness of mine is going to turn out. I just cannot understand. A salon that don't have a hoodie dryer. Thank goodness I have mine. So let me park and oh, shut up, and check myself in. So I'm here. This is absolutely bonkers, like seriously bonkers. I should have just booked my sister to do it for me, but I didn't want to bother her. So I have everything packed. I will keep you guys posted on how this madness go on. I'm here getting set, so I'm gonna use that purple one rollers. I can't find my actual lotterbody, but this is the one I've already mixed. It's in here diluted with water, so I will be spraying a few purple. She will be spraying a few pumps of that. Ignore the bottle, that's not what's in there. It's the lotterbody setting lotion. That's what's in here. I will look for the bottle when I find it and show you guys a picture. So a few pumps of just water as she go along. She'll be spraying that on. Got my lovely cup of coffee, so I'm just getting ready for her to start. There you go, we're done. I'm all set. I'm just gonna go under the dryer now and oh, FYI, I'm going to Cash Point to get some money out, and they just have to stiff it because this is how I'm going. I haven't got any other choice. As you guys have, I haven't got any other choice. Okay, that's me all set done. Thank you all so much, Sarah, for your help. I appreciate it, and that's it. I'll keep you guys posted. Back soon. Alright, I will see you guys in a bit. It's dry. So whether it's dry or not, I've got to go. I've got to have meals with the girls. I went under the dryer for 1 hour. So I'm just gonna see if it's dry. This video is probably going to end up being a part 1 and a part 2 because otherwise it's going to be too long. So yeah, it looks like it's dry, feels like it. Yeah, should I take it down? Then come back and style it up a bit. Okay. I could have just used my curly one to achieve this look, but I did not want to use direct heat. So, and I wanted to roller set it and give me that vavavu. Plus I have a do in 1 hour's time. Then tomorrow I have a baby shower to attend. So I will probably come back and do a pin coil to preserve the coils. If I have time, I will try and record that to show you guys how I preserve the coils at night. Hopefully it will last me, not just for today's do, also last me for tomorrow as well. So let me take down and come back to you guys. guys, I'm sorry I couldn't record yesterday. There's just no way. Places I needed to be, things I needed to do, I couldn't record yesterday. So this is day 3 of this roller set. So I did what I did, how I show you guys, you know, how I pink oil it and roll it up at night. I did exact same thing the night before that. So I want to show you guys again on the 3rd day how the coils are looking. I'm hoping they will still be holding up. If not for anything, I'm just hoping the you know, that back home look I got that first day of roller set. So I'm hoping that volume will still be there at the root. So let's take this down, eh? Are you with me? So yeah, not bad. Not bad for a 3rd day roller set. I'm still very pleased with it because the whole purpose of me roller setting it was to have this big kind of back home look going on. And even, you know, 3 days in, the coils are still looking very good. Well, it's not really a coil, it's more like a wave now. So I'm happy with it. So I'm still gonna rock it today. And if I'm not too tired tonight, I'm gonna try and pink oil it again to see if I can get one more day out of it. So yes, I'm pleased with the result of my I don't know, roller set. Not bad. All right, see you guys later.